The best bike toolkit is the Park Tool Starter Kit. It contains the most important tools like a hex wrench set to adjust bolts, a chain checker to find out when to replace a chain, and many more in a practical box. It also does come with a handy book full of tips on bike maintenance. There are many products available to choose bike toolkit, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bike toolkit from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Crank Brothers M19 Multi-Tool Plus Case. This toolkit by Crank Brothers is the same type of toolkit as the WOTOW Bike Toolkit. However, this one is much better quality and you can rely on it anytime. It comes in 5 different colors and with a storage case. The kit includes 19 different tools in a small form factor. You can use them for fixing the most defects on your bike. Crank Brothers toolkit is portable, so you can store it inside your jersey pocket, into a handlebar bag, saddle bag, or any other bag you have to carry. The main disadvantage is that it may rust if you leave it in a wet environment. If it gets wet, make sure to dry it. Number 2. WOTOW Bike Repair Toolkit. If you have a limited budget, this tool is the best bike toolkit for the money. It is super portable so that you can put it inside your saddlebag and use it when needed. The variety of tools it offers is wide. It contains hex keys, a slotted screwdriver, a solid wrench, 3 PCS of tire levers, and an extra 3mm hex key, and more. You can use these tools for tightening bolts and nuts, replacing tires, adjusting shifting, and much more. From my experience, this type of toolkit can save you on a bike trip. The only issue with this tool is its questionable quality. It will do its job, but it is not suitable for regular maintenance. If you can afford more money to spend, check out the Crank Brothers Multi-Tool, which is much better quality. Number 3. Park Tool Act 5 Advanced Bicycle Mechanic Toolkit. Park Tool is a renowned manufacturer of bicycle maintenance tools. Their advanced toolkit is probably exactly what you imagine when talking about pro toolkits. It contains 36 most used bike tools, so you will be able to fix almost everything on your bike. The possible use cases include adjusting saddle, seat post, stem, handlebars, removing and installing pedals, replacing tires and tubes, diagnosing, cleaning and replacing a chain, and much more. This toolkit is perfect for cyclists that want to take care of their bikes by themselves at home. The bonus is the box comes with a book explaining the procedures and techniques on how to maintain your bike. You will get the tools and step-by-step instructions on how to fix the defects on your bike. If you are a maintenance newbie, I am sure you appreciate it. The biggest disadvantage of this bike toolkit is its price. If it is too expensive for you, make sure to check out the Park Tool Starter Kit, which doesn't include as many tools but is much cheaper. Number 4. Bicycle Repair Bag and Bicycle Tire Pump. The XCH Robots Repair Bag Toolkit comes in a durable box where you can spare all 37 tools this kit includes. This kit also contains tools for replacing the bottom bracket, so if you are experienced enough, you can take advantage of this tool too. Additionally, this kit contains sets of wrenches, a chain checker, chain cleaner, Torx wrenches, and other most used tools. The main downside of this kit is its quality. The flat wrenches may bend if the bolts and nuts are too rusty. If you want a set that contains a lot of the most used tools and you have a tight budget, go for it. Otherwise, I recommend paying more for the Park Tool Advanced Kit. Number 5. Park Tool SK4 Home Mechanic Starter Kit. This Park Tool Starter Kit is a little brother of the Park Tool Advanced Kit. It contains fewer tools like a hex wrench set, chain checker, chain tool, cable cutter, screwdriver, etc. It is the best bike toolkit overall because it combines excellent quality and the most useful tools for bike maintenance. You will be able to repair the vast majority of bike defects. It also does include the bike maintenance book as the Park Tool Advanced Kit. I am sure beginners would appreciate it. The only shortcoming of this kit is the price that may be too high for people looking for a cheap toolkit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.